Hi guys, welcome to Adarsh Techworld. So today we are doing Tab A7 unboxing and review. So let's get into the box or the video. Yeah, let's get into the box. Okay, so we are going to unbox this thing, guys. Let's hold a bit up. Let's unbox. Here we have the paper. We have already unboxed it. So let's go. Let's take it out of here. Keep the tab. So let's see the box contents. Yeah, let's see inside of here. Oh, we have a charger. This is the black charger. This is the adaptive fast charging. With this adapter you can get fast charging. We'll show you the real adapter. Let's keep this to the side. So this is the real adapter you get. This is actually 5 volt 1.55 amp. We'll show you the real one. Here you can see it's 9 volt or 5 volt. Now this is a fast charger. We will see the fast charging speeds now. In the later part, we will keep everything, the box aside. We'll keep the box here. And then we take the tab again. So here we have this is a tab, guys. So we are gonna turn it on. Okay, let me unlock. So we have the tab here, guys. It has a 10.4 inch display, 4 inch display, and it has 1922 to 12,000 pixels, and it is way beyond full HD. It is a bit beyond, like full HD is 1080, this is 1200, so it has a more wider aspect and it is very good. And especially for seeing YouTube, it is superb. Like you can see YouTube videos. So I will show you one now. My video, Adarsh Techworld. I will show you. Okay, so we have a new gaming aspect now. We are gonna show you the speakers too. It has 4 speakers, like 1, 2, then 3, 4.
Today we are making
3, 4.
We need to destroy
The grass and
everything.
let me get the.
Get out of here.
So we are gonna clear the grass and we are gonna make a concrete house. The seed. So that was a
using epic jungle seed
video, guys. So we'll show you some music so that you can get a better sense. So NCS music is the best.
Yes, I love that.
Let's go with this. There's an ad now. Let's skip it. Yeah. Skip ahead to the. Yeah, that's the music, guys. That's the full volume. This is a half volume. This is pretty low one. Yeah, in full volume it is superb. And then here we have this Dolby Atmos setting. You can set it to movie so that you get all the surround effect. And we have put here gestures because it is One UI 2.5 with Android 10. Not here. This is the battery. Here, as you can see, One UI core, and you hit, you get the Android 10. And the display is, we had to turn off blue light filter so that you can see this proper. So this the display is pretty good. It's pretty white and the black levels are also good. So this is one, as you can see, the black is pretty good. So there's no issue with the display. It doesn't have that tint issue or anything. So it is a good display, but I think AMOLED is better. And the next thing we are going to try is that it has a Snapdragon 662, so it runs Minecraft at what 60 FPS. So it's a good thing. It does match up with 665, but not that much. So it has the best processor, best speakers, and best display ever. So that's the only thing you need in a tablet, but there are a lot more in this, like 15-watt fast charging with this brick. As you can see, it does show 9 volt. So this is a Samsung brick. This comes with the Note 8. This comes with this tablet. This is a 5-watt brick, as you can see, and you get USB-C with it, so it is compatible with a wide range of accessories. It has a USB-A charging port to USB-C. It's white. So the variant we have here is the gold 32 GB Wi-Fi only variant. So it is a gold color, and then it does have this antenna band over here, and then here we have here we have the SD card slot, not the SIM. If it was the SIM version, it will have it here. And then here we have the volume and power button. And this is the 8 MP camera. Let's see the. This is the 5 megapixel selfie camera. So this has a 7,000 mAh battery.
Yes.
And it is pretty good. Like it is a wide. It lasts for a long time. Like my brother was playing Minecraft for some time, so it is still at 64%. We had just charged it at 100%. So it is a pretty good battery. You can see movies with it, no issues.
So beautiful to see the Minecraft.
Yeah, the Minecraft is not that much optimized to it, but it's still pretty good. You can also use it for duo calls. You can use it for 32 people at once duo call, and that is a good thing. And then it does support 15-watt fast charging, which I'm gonna show you now. As you can see, guys, it is fast charging with this power brick I'm using right now. This is the Note 8 power brick. We'll keep this to the.
This is the Tab Video A7.
Yeah, tab video. So this is being recorded from its internal microphone. We'll show you the footage right now right now. So the Tab A7 is a good value for money pick, especially at 16K. Like you have 4 speakers, a big display and everything, and there's Snapdragon 662 inside and a very good camera, as you have seen in the footage. So it is a good value for money pick. You can go ahead and buy it, but before you buy it, click that like button, click share button, and then click subscribe button. Then you can buy this tablet and you can see all of my new videos. Take care. Bye bye.